Handsome Sparrow. So he wasn't eating the little mixture I'd made him, and I couldn't figure it out. The little guy was, but this guy just wouldn't do it. So I tried everything, and Jason said applesauce. So we tried that, and he kind of liked it. So then I got strawberry. I found this strawberry, and I broke it up into little pieces. Oh, look, he'd rather eat it out of my hand. Look, it's right here. It's right there. Oh, you'd rather eat it out of my hand? Yes. Don't back up too much. You're liable to fall down. Yes. Oh, be careful. You're getting a little too feisty with that. So he does like, oh, yanking on it. Goodness. Here, try this little tiny piece. Try that piece. Right here. There you go. Oh, good boy. You did it. Good boy. I'm so proud of you. Do you want this little piece too? Or are you all done? You still hungry? Oh, you are? Goodness. It doesn't surprise me because we tried to feed him everything we could think of. This little guy's funny. We just found him. He'd fallen out of his nest. He's almost ready to fly, but he still can't fly, and he was in a bad place, so we had to take him. There was no way. He would have died for sure. So, and he can't really fly yet. He can kind of flutter. Oh! There he goes. Oh, he's done. Aren't they funny when they're done? Look. Yeah? They just look at you like, I don't think so. Okay, so you're all done. Come here. So this is our handsome. Let's get a close-up on how handsome he is. Yes. And we're raising him. But we're raising him to let him go. Which is going to kill me. That's why I can't name him. But of course he'll have a name within the next 2 days. Because I can't control myself.